Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing. I bought this on eBay and I did open the box with the box cutter just to make this easier because it was really well packaged and I knew it was going to take a long time to open. But I haven't taken out the item, so I'm going to do that. We're going to see if it looks as good in person as it did on eBay. So, this is actually something that I collect. I have a small collection of them. And when I saw this, I had to have them. Let's see, it says, I hope you love the stunning earrings. Thank you for your business. Okay, so now you know that it is a pair of earrings. Okay, wow, she packed it really nicely. She, he, I think it's a she. Let me see. Oh my gosh, how do I open this? I don't know how to open this. Is this it? Oh, okay. I see what happened. Okay, bear with me while I try to do this. There we go. I do this too when I sell things on eBay and I pack them for a nuclear explosion. And then I always wonder if the people can open them when they arrive. Oh, okay, I think this is it. Hang on. Just this one side. Okay, here we go. It's a box that slides out. Okay, great. Great. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. They are. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love these. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. I just realized, I think my address was showing. I'm going to turn this around. Okay. Look how beautiful. This is a vintage pair of earrings from a designer named Thelma Deutsch. They are no longer in production, and I love this specific type of earring that is the round, loop. I have a few pairs in different colors, and they are absolutely so gorgeous, and I don't have a green pair, and these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just love them. Completely love them. Wow, look at that. Oh, they're so beautiful. Wow. I am not disappointed at all. In fact, I am thrilled. I'm thrilled. Look how they sparkle. So gorgeous. Wow. Thelma Deutsch made a lot of beautiful oversized earrings with very gorgeous, colorful crystals and rhinestones. But the style that I like is this style with the round circle. And some of them have one circle, and there are some that have two. And I have a pair of black ones, and I have one that's multicolored, and I have a pink one, and now I have this one. Oh, and I have a clear one. I'll have to do a video with the whole collection, but I love them, and they look so gorgeous on, and they're just so unique because they're not something that can be bought nowadays. So that was it. Oh gosh, I'm just so in love with them. Okay guys, well, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.